Thank you so much, Jen. By running this small business venture, now it all makes sense. I looked at them a bit bewildered. What do you mean, I asked. It all makes sense. Well, we've studied all these things in isolation. And now, by doing this, it brings it all together into one successful business. Marketing links to sales. Sales links to finance. Finance links to planning. Planning links to people. And all of those things that all come together make that one business. So, if you want to do the entrepreneurship program, just remember, by doing the program, bringing all those things together, it helps make sense.